Dear students and friends, I am Ponnala Krishnamurthy, Abhinav Tuition Center, New Boinpalli, Secunderabad. 10th class trigonometry. In a right angle triangle ABC, right angle is at B. If tan A equal to root 3, then find the value of sin A cos C plus cos A sin C, cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Reference is here. Given tan A equal to root 3. Here we have the figure, right angle triangle, right angled at B. Tan A is nothing but opposite side to A by adjacent side to A. Here we have A. So opposite side is CB and adjacent side is AB and hypotenuse is this one always. So opposite side to A is nothing but CB by adjacent side to A is AB is equal to root 3 by 1. So CB is equal to root 3 into K, comma AB equal to 1K. By Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to altitude square plus base square. So AC square is equal to AB square plus CB square. So K whole square plus root 3K whole square. K square plus root 3 square is 3 and K square. K square plus 3K square is 4K square. Therefore AC is equal to under root 4K square, that is equal to 2K. Here we have the figure A, B, C. B is right angle here. Now sin A is equal to opposite side to A by hypotenuse, that is equal to CB by AC. CB is root 3K by AC is 2K. K cancel, root 3 by 2 answer. Similarly cos A is equal to, here we have A, adjacent side to A by hypotenuse, so AB by AC, AB is K by 2K, K cancel, 1 by 2, answer. Sin C equal to opposite side to C by hypotenuse, so AB by AC, AB is K, AC is 2K, K cancel, 1 by 2. Cos C equal to adjacent side to C by hypotenuse, that is equal to CB by AC, that is equal to root 3K by 2K, K cancel, root 3 by 2. First bit, sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Sin A is nothing but root 3 by 2 and cos C is root 3 by 2 plus cos A is 1 by 2 and sin C is 1 by 2. This is equal to root 3 into root 3, 3 by 2 into 2, 4 plus 1 into 1, 1 by 2 into 2, 4. Since the denominators are same, this 4 is the LCM here. We can add the numerators directly. 3 plus 1 is 4. When these two are same, we can add the numerators. But we should not add the denominators. 4 1s are 4 is equal to 1. Answer. Cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. That is equal to cos A is 1 by 2 and cos C is root 3 by 2 minus sin A is root 3 by 2, sin C is 1 by 2. 1 into root 3 by 2 2s are 4 minus root 3 into 1 is root 3 by 2 2s are 4. Root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4. Cancel, 0, answer. All liter. Given tan A equal to root 3, that is nothing but tan 60. And B is right angle triangle, so angle B is 90 degrees. A is equal to 60 degrees. Sum of the three angles is equal to 180. So A plus B plus C equal to 180. A is 60 plus B is 90 plus C equal to 180. 150 plus C equal to 180. C equal to 180 minus 150, that is 30. C equal to 30. So we have taken c equal to 30 here. Sin a cos c plus cos a sin c. Sin 60, a is 60, cos c 30 plus cos a cos 60, sin c sin 30. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, plus cos 60 is 1 by 2, sin 30 is 1 by 2. Root 3 into root 3, 3 by 2 to the 4 plus 1 1 is 1 by 2 to the 4. Since the denominators are same, 4 is the LCM, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 1 is 4, 1 is the answer. Similarly, second one, we have here second one.